Refreshing memories, unlocking the past. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both common and powerful: refreshing memories. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these phrases can really add depth to your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind refreshing our memories. Refreshing memories is a phrase that conjures up the idea of making oneself remember something that was once known or familiar. Imagine your brain as a vast library. Over time, some books gather dust, and their contents become a bit hazy. When you refresh your memories, it's like dusting off those books and opening them up to clearly read the words once again. It's a process of bringing back to mind past experiences, knowledge, or feelings that may have faded over time. We refresh our memories in various situations. It could be as simple as revisiting old photos to remember a family holiday, rereading notes before an exam to recall studied information, or even catching up with an old friend and reminiscing about past experiences. This phrase is often used in educational contexts, therapeutic sessions, or social gatherings, highlighting its versatility in both personal and professional settings. Now, let's look at some examples of how to incorporate refreshing memories into your everyday conversations. Before our high school reunion, we spent the evening refreshing our memories about our classmates and the fun times we had. The documentary did an excellent job of refreshing the public's memory about the historical event. Sometimes, refreshing your memory with a quick review of the basics can significantly improve your understanding of advanced concepts. Enhancing your ability to refresh your memory can be very beneficial. Here are a few tips. Regular review. Consistently revisiting information helps keep it fresh in your mind. Make connections. Relating new information to something you already know can make it easier to recall later. Stay organized. Keeping your notes and materials in order can help streamline the memory refreshing process. Refreshing memories is more than just a phrase. It's a valuable skill that helps us reconnect with our past, reinforce knowledge, and share experiences with others. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and utility of refreshing memories for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to look back on past lessons to refresh your memory on various topics. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.